Good morning, student. Welcome to Education Center. Today, we are going to learn about English grammar, topic second, subject and predicate of class 4th. Dear student, in this topic, we are going to learn how sentence can be divided into two parts. First of all, the person, place, thing, or emotion that is spoken about is known as naming part, and what is being said about the person, place, thing, or emotion is known as doing part. Let's study this with example. The gardener waters the plant. See the particular sentence very carefully. You will see the gardener waters the plant. Okay, whole sentence talk about the gardener and what he is doing. So the gardener is a person. Okay, that is naming part, subject. And what the naming part or the subject is doing? Watering the plant. That is predicate, doing part, right? Thus, subject is the part of a sentence about which something is said, and predicate is a part of a sentence which says something about the particular subject. But it is not possible in an imperative sentences because an imperative sentences express an order or request, and it does not have a written subject as thank you. So we have to say I thank you, go away, you go away. In this sentence I and you are understood. Now let's see subject and predicate with reference to the examples. First example, India is a developing country. Now, what is the sentence saying about? Sentence is saying about India. So, India is the naming part, that is subject. And what is the doing part of India? That is, it is a developing country, right? So, it is known as predicate. Next example, DB Mall is near my house. Now see the sentence. Whole sentence talk about DB Mall. So DB Mall is the naming part, right? It is a place. It is a naming part, that is subject. And what is the doing part of the subject? Is near my house. That is a predicate. Third example. The train stop at the station. Whole sentence talk about the train. So it is a subject. And what does the subject do? Stop at the station. So it is a predicate of the sentence. You can visualize the division of a sentence. Now, fourth question. Badminton is a very interesting game. What the sentence is talking about? Badminton. That is a subject of a sentence and is a very interesting game. That is a predicate of the particular sentence. Let's see with some more examples. My parents are very caring. Right? My parents are very caring. So, here, my parents are the subject because whole sentence talk about parents, right? So, my parents are the subject and how they are very caring. So, here it is predicate. Next sentence. That tree has a long trunk. The whole sentence talk about the that tree, right? So that tree is the subject of the sentence. And what is the quality of that tree? Has a long trunk. It is a predicate of the sentence. Third example, those birds are singing together. Sentence is talking about those birds, right? So those bird is the subject of the sentence. Are singing together is the predicate of a particular sentence. Next one is the rainbow has 7 colors. You can see the sentence talk about the rainbow, right? So it is the subject of the sentence and it has 7 colors. So it is the predicate of the sentence. Hope you understand this topic very well, right? So here are some quiz which you have to answer. Separate the following sentence into subject and predicate. Here is the subject and predicates in the sentence. You have to find out. Stars twinkle in the sky, right? So what is the subject? Stars. And what does stars do? Twinkle in the sky. That is predicate, right? All the students were wearing uniform. What does the sentence talk about? All the students, right? So it is a subject and were wearing uniform. It is a predicate of the sentence. She is a polite girl. She is a polite girl. What is the sentence talking about? She. So she is a subject. And what is the predicate? A polite girl. Okay. Here is two homework I have given to you. You just answer it in the comment box. Let me know whether you understand the topic or not. So it's leave it there. You just find out where is the subject and predicate. And India is a developing country. Hope you understand this topic. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to Education Center, like, share and press the bell icon for more notification. Thank you guys for watching.